the flowers and incense smoking, love through bars of purple light. Bids you now to waken gently, lift your troubled eyes or sleep, tempering thoughts of old age holy, cross samsara's ocean deep. To the one who taught the Dhamma of the Noble Eightfold Way, to the Buddha, dearest sister, lift your tender mind today. Waves of dawn has paced softly, tiptoe through the moonlit night, breathe the flowers